This is why you need micro-irrigation on your balcony. No more soggy slippers or forgetful watering days. Your plants will thank you, trust me. So, what's micro-irrigation? Imagine tiny hoses and drippers, gently giving your plants just the right amount of water, straight to their roots. No more guessing, no more mess. It's like having a personal butler for your begonias. Setting it up is easy peasy. Just connect the system to your tap, lay out the tubes, and pop in the drippers where your pots are. You can set a timer so your plants get a perfect drink, even when you're off having a cuppa. Best part? You save water, your plants grow happier, and you get more time for, well, anything but watering. Micro-irrigation, smarter, simpler, and your balcony will never look better. Give it a go. Your plants are rooting for you.